Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the cutting-edge world of technology, where innovation knows no bounds. From the latest gadgets to groundbreaking discoveries, our tech journey is about to take an exciting turn. Buckle up as we explore the realms of innovation, unravel the mysteries of emerging tech, and embark on a quest to stay ahead in this ever-evolving digital landscape. Get ready to witness the future unfold right before your eyes. This is Tech Vortex, and I'm thrilled to be your guide on this exhilarating tech adventure. Art and music are two of the most beautiful forms of human expression, and with the advent of artificial intelligence, AI, we are now able to take creativity to the next level. AI has the power to revolutionize the way we create and experience art and music. This technology has opened up a new world of creative possibilities that were once unimaginable. From composing music to designing artwork, AI is transforming the way we think about and engage with creativity. In this video, we will explore the fusion of AI and creativity, and how it is being used to unleash the power of art and music. We will show you how AI is being used to create stunning visual art and compose beautiful music. So, get ready to be inspired and amazed as we dive into the exciting intersection of AI and creativity. Introduction: the intersection of AI and creativity. At the intersection of AI and creativity lies a remarkable potential to unlock new realms of artistic expression and musical innovation. Through machine learning algorithms and advanced neural networks, AI can now generate original pieces of art, compose captivating melodies, and even produce breathtaking visual effects. This fusion has sparked a myriad of debates and discussions among artists, technologists, and enthusiasts alike. Some argue that AI's involvement could diminish the authenticity and emotional depth that human creativity offers. However, others embrace the partnership between technology and artistic endeavors, viewing it as an opportunity to push the boundaries of innovation and explore uncharted territories. By harnessing the power of AI, artists can delve into unexplored creative territories, tapping into vast pools of inspiration and experimentation. AI algorithms can analyze existing works of art, identifying patterns, styles, and techniques, and then generate new, unique pieces that encompass the essence of human creativity. This collaboration between human and machine opens up a whole new world of possibilities, enabling artists to amplify their artistic vision and create works that transcend conventional boundaries. Similarly, in the field of music, AI has proven to be a game changer. From composing original scores to generating harmonies and melodies, AI algorithms are capable of creating music that captivates and moves listeners. By analyzing vast libraries of musical compositions and understanding the intricacies of different genres, AI offers musicians and composers a wealth of inspiration and ideas to explore, revolutionizing the creative process and pushing the boundaries of musical innovation. However, it is important to note that while AI can assist and enhance the creative process, it cannot replicate or replace the depth of human emotion and imagination. The fusion of AI and creativity should be seen as a collaboration, where technology serves as a tool to augment and amplify human ingenuity, rather than overshadowing it. Understanding AI's role in art and music. At its core, AI is a powerful tool that can analyze vast amounts of data, recognize patterns, and make predictions. When applied to art and music, AI algorithms can generate original pieces, compose music, and even mimic the style of famous artists. This raises fascinating questions about the nature of creativity and the role of the artist in the age of AI. One of the most significant aspects of AI's role in art and music is its ability to augment human creativity. Artists and musicians can harness the power of AI to explore new ideas and push the boundaries of their craft. AI can act as a collaborator, suggesting new melodies, visual compositions, or even helping to develop novel techniques. This fusion of human creativity and AI's analytical capabilities opens up a world of possibilities, enabling artists to create works that were previously unimaginable. Moreover, AI in art and music can also enhance the experience for the audience. AI algorithms can analyze individual preferences, learning what resonates with each person, and customize recommendations accordingly. This personalized approach allows for a deeper connection between the artwork or music and the listener or viewer. It also broadens access to art and music, as AI-powered platforms can curate collections based on individual tastes, introducing people to new artists and genres. However, it is essential to recognize that AI is a tool and not a replacement for human creativity. While AI can produce impressive pieces, it lacks the emotional depth and context that human artists bring to their work. The human touch remains invaluable in creating art that resonates on a profound level and reflects the human experience. AI-generated art, exploring the possibilities. Using complex algorithms and machine learning, AI is now capable of creating unique and original pieces of art that captivate viewers with their intricate designs, mesmerizing patterns, and thought-provoking concepts. From paintings and sculptures to digital art and installations, AI-generated art showcases the limitless potential of technology in the realm of creativity. One of the fascinating aspects of AI-generated art is its ability to learn and adapt. By analyzing vast amounts of data and patterns, AI algorithms can understand different artistic styles, techniques, and trends. This enables AI to create artwork that emulates the styles of famous artists or even blend different artistic genres to produce entirely new and innovative pieces. Furthermore, AI-generated art has also given artists and creators a powerful tool for experimentation and collaboration. Artists can now work hand in hand with AI algorithms, leveraging their computational power and creative algorithms to enhance their artistic process. This collaboration between human creativity and AI technology has resulted in truly groundbreaking works of art that challenge our perceptions of what is possible. In the realm of music, AI has also made significant strides. From composing original pieces to remixing existing songs, AI algorithms can now mimic the style of famous composers or even create entirely new genres of music. This has sparked a new wave of creativity, where musicians and producers are exploring the possibilities of AI-generated music to push the boundaries of what can be achieved. The impact of AI on the creative process. AI has revolutionized the creative landscape by providing innovative tools and platforms that aid artists, musicians, and creators in their endeavors. From generating unique art pieces to composing intricate musical compositions, AI has the ability to augment and enhance the creative process. One of the most significant impacts of AI on creativity is its ability to generate ideas and inspire artists. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data, identifying patterns and trends that human artists might overlook. This can lead to the discovery of new artistic concepts, techniques, and styles that push the boundaries of traditional art forms. Moreover, AI can serve as a collaborative partner, working hand in hand with artists to bring their visions to life. Creative professionals can utilize AI tools to experiment, iterate, and refine their work, allowing for greater exploration and creative expression. This symbiotic relationship between human creativity and AI innovation has the potential to unlock new dimensions of artistic possibilities. However, it is essential to acknowledge the ethical implications and challenges that arise with the integration of AI in the creative process. Questions of originality, authorship, and the role of human intuition and emotion in art and music creation come to the forefront. Striking a balance between the capabilities of AI and the human touch is crucial to maintain the authenticity and soulfulness that define artistic creation. In conclusion, the impact of AI on the creative process is profound and transformative. It opens up a world of endless possibilities, enabling artists and musicians to push the boundaries of their imagination. The fusion of AI and creativity has the potential to unlock new forms of art and music, captivating audiences and shaping the future of artistic expression. The controversy surrounding AI-generated art. One argument against AI-generated art is the belief that it lacks the soul and emotional depth that humans bring to their creations. The human experience, with all its complexities and emotions, is often seen as an integral part of art, rendering AI's ability to replicate this aspect questionable. Critics argue that true artistry lies in the ability to convey one's unique perspective and tap into deep-seated emotions, something that AI may not be able to fully comprehend or replicate. On the other hand, proponents of AI-generated art argue that creativity is not limited to human beings alone. They see AI as a tool that expands the boundaries of artistic expression, allowing for new and innovative forms of creativity to emerge. AI can analyze vast amounts of data, identify patterns, and generate novel ideas that may not have been conceivable to humans. This perspective views AI as a collaborator rather than a replacement for human artists, enhancing their creative process and pushing the boundaries of what is possible. The controversy surrounding AI-generated art extends beyond the realm of aesthetics. It also raises questions about authorship and ownership. Who should be credited as the creator when AI is involved in the artistic process? Should AI-generated artworks be protected by copyright laws? These questions challenge traditional notions of authorship and intellectual property, necessitating a re-evaluation of legal frameworks in the face of rapidly evolving technology. Despite the controversies, AI-generated art has garnered significant attention and interest from both artists and the general public. Museums and galleries around the world have featured exhibitions showcasing AI-generated artworks, sparking conversations and pushing the boundaries of what is considered art. As technology continues to advance, these debates are likely to intensify, further blurring the lines between human creativity and artificial intelligence. As we conclude this tech-filled odyssey, I hope you enjoyed the deep dive into the world of innovation and discovery. If you found today's content intriguing, don't forget to hit that like button, share with fellow tech enthusiasts, and subscribe to Tech Vortex for more mind-boggling tech insights. Have burning questions or want us to explore a specific tech topic? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback fuels our future explorations. Stay plugged in for upcoming episodes, and remember, the future is now. Until next time, techies, keep exploring, keep innovating, and keep embracing the wonders of technology. This is Tech Vortex, signing off from Tech Vortex. See you in the next bite.